I'm Kevin with Atomic Filters, and today I'm going to show you the compatible and how to make sure you have the right compatible. This is the Atomic compatible for the Pentair Clean and Clear 200. It's also compatible with the Predator 200. It's compatible with Unicel's C9419. It's compatible with the Filbur FC-0688 and also compatible with the PAP 200 or the PAP 200. This filter is 31 1/8 inches tall from end cap to end cap. If you're not sure, you can take your measuring tape out and measure it from end cap to end cap. It's going to be just a tad over 31. It's a no core filter, so it's got an open bottom and open top. The open hole is 6 inches. So you can just measure across to confirm that. And the total diameter of the filter is going to be 10 1/8 inches. So that's how you check and make sure you have the correct filter. This one has 200 square feet. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at Atomic Filters. You can check out our website, atomicfilters.com as well. And the products should be listed, the links to the products should be listed within the video as well, so you can click on products or scroll below the products to see links to the products. We also make this in an antimicrobial as well. That would be listed with an M after the item number, and it will also be in the title, and we'll have that in the links to the products. So check us out at atomicfilters.com. All our filters are made in the USA. Thanks for tuning in.